Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to unpin a chat in WhatsApp web. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your computer by launching the WhatsApp web application. Step 2. Next, locate the chat that you want to unpin. Pinned chats are usually displayed at the top of your chat list. Step 3. Now, right-click on the pinned chat to reveal a drop-down menu. Step 4. From the options available, select Unpin Chat to remove the chat from the pinned section. And just like that, you have successfully unpinned the chat in WhatsApp web. To quickly recap the steps, open WhatsApp, right-click on the pinned chat, and select Unpin Chat. Unpinning chats allows you to organize your conversations and prioritize the ones that matter the most. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.